Hi, it's me. So I've noticed a lot of people have been watching my Mo Kio Hub videos speaking about the renovations. So I'm now at the 4th floor taking a quick look. Watch this space for future developments. NTUC Health. E2I. A digital lobby. Digital lobby or digital payment lobby. Various municipal services center which are not open yet. Seems like they are missing a few alphabets. TV. And the overhead walkway to the emergency exit. Future library. Or air conditioned lounge. Take your pick. And while you are waiting for the library to be open, well, come visit the mini library. You'll still have to legitimately borrow them. Tap, scan and borrow. The TV? Sure. A needlessly elaborate corporate wallpaper. And the toilet is not ready yet, but it should be soon when renovations are complete. And I guess this path leads to the loading and unloading bay. Notice, keep door closed at all times. It's a sign. And this is lobby A. And this must be the goods and cargo lift or the emergency fire lift. Alright, did I satisfy your curiosity about what goes on the level 4 of Mo Kio Hub? The one that unfortunately wasn't renovated in time for my previous video recording? Let me know in the comment sections below. Well, thank you for watching. Subscribe, click the notification button to be informed of future content. And I hope you found this video to be informative. See you in the next video. Bye. And cut. Too short to make it for a full video. Why not we take a walk from the 4th floor down. My eyes! Come back in 2 months time. Everything should be ready. No comments if it isn't ready by then. And I guess this isn't the entrance to the Sky Garden or playground. Part of the emergency exit plan. Yeah, we are down to the 1st floor already. Wasn't that? Didn't take too long. Well, so if you are interested in a quick get up to the 4th floor, well, you can either take the escalator from the ground floor up, escalator from the basement up, and make a left turn to lift lobby B. Yeah, as I was saying, head to lift lobby B for a quick get up to the 4th floor. And I guess something's been leaking. No idea what. No parking of bicycle and PMD. Any unauthorized parking of bicycle PMD will be removed without notice. Well, consider this your final notice. Well, at least this part of the pedestrian island is ready. Clear view of the hub. And thank you for staying to the end. Subscribe, click the notification button to be informed of future content. And as I slowly back away, to give you a zoomed out look. Hope I don't get hope I don't get to crash into any oncoming cyclists. Subscribe, click the notification button and all that, and I hope you found this video to be satisfactory. So long already, 4th floor still haven't opened yet. Wow!